She has very good stamina.
What do you feel about my new
Let me sit properly.
tripod?
It is
Yeah,
nice.
yeah, it's nice. It's not shaky like this. Why I was making that sound?
I don't.
Say something in Hindi. I'll record it.
क्या करें, मैं मर जाऊं? मेरी को फीलिंग नहीं, तुम्हारी फीलिंग तुम्हारी, मेरी को फीलिंग नहीं. संटा कुत्ता टॉमी, संटा कुत्ता कुत्ता.
Okay. Who taught you this?
No, I myself. Big Boss taught me this.
Okay.
क्या बकवास है? It is my Hindi teacher taught me this.
Okay. And what else?
मैं आ रही हूँ.
Where? What does that mean? मैं आ रही हूँ.
I am coming.
Okay. And मैं जा रही हूँ.
I am going.
Okay. And हम हॉस्टल में हैं.
We are at hostel. What?
I talked in Hindi and you are translating in English.
Yeah, I could. I could understand those words. No?
Okay. You
Like
don't
my
have to
hostel?
always show peace sign.
You like my hostel?
Yeah, I like.
I am drying now.
Okay, you have got nice hair.
We are taking sun bath.
And
Nice sunny day in this cold winter.
yeah, finally some sun bro.
Sun bro
According to Apurva.
is kissing us. Sun kissing. You should get that joke. He's here, but it's also paining.
Do you want to do plank?
Yes.
Come on, let's do.
Do you have time?
I'm seeing the timer.
1 minute. I can't do. Okay, come.
Okay.
Okay. अय्यो हम डायरेक्ट में कॉल है तो.
Let's do.
Okay, start. I can't do.
Okay. Let her.
I'll move from the camera frame.
Let's see.
Oh wow. She's doing nicely, no?
Yeah.
Let's make a video. Come.
About?
Let's make a video for. Come 30 seconds. 30 seconds also I can't do it.
You can do.
These Telugu people are making this. Wait, I don't want to do this. Wait.
Okay. What do you want to do?
20 seconds now.
Let's see.
I don't know how to do it. You know? I don't know. How should I start? How should I do? Come on. I will jump. Shall I?
Hi guys, this is our. I don't know which vlog we are shooting, but we are taking a night walk from our hostel.
Night routine of our.
No, it's not a night routine. Just
We will do this daily.
yeah. We are going now to a fountain which is just beside our hostel,
Yeah.
and it changes color because we both are lonely. We are going to sing songs there.
Yeah. And I think we'll call our friends too
Yeah.
to
Let's-
accompany our
हाँ.
madness.
Okay, let's see what happens there. और ये जो like path है वो जाता है कहाँ? Where
To
does it go?
scientist home.
Yeah,
To gate number 3.
and also gate number 3. NDRI में actually 3 gates है. Gate number 1, gate number 2 और gate number 3.
And the other one near the Model Dairy Plant.
Yeah. आप लोग वहाँ देख सकते हैं कि वहाँ एक फाउंटेन है और वहाँ पे लाइट्स भी है कुछ लाइट्स. लेट्स गो देयर.
Yeah, let's go.
दिस इज अ chariot. This was decorated on the occasion of Christmas.
आपका
And
जी,
here is
प्रियंका.
the fountain.
ஸ்டாஃப் கிளப் தானே இந்த வாரம். ஆமாக்கா இங்கே சாப்பிட்டோமா, ரொம்ப சாப்பிட்டோம், அதனால அப்படி நடக்கலான்னு வந்துட்டோம். ஃபவுண்டைன் கிட்ட இருக்கே வரேன்.
You can't see anything. Do you want to stand here and do some act? Sing something.
This is a chariot for our princess. Please. You. Wait, you go and come again.
Okay. Take number 2. Thank you so much. So guys, this is a chariot. You can also come.
We are going to boys' hostel now. Narmada hostel. For to disturb our friends. And let's have 2 or 3 songs from there.
कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताना कि लाइक किसके कॉलेज में अलाउड है बॉयज़ हॉस्टल तक जाना या नहीं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में ये दिस इज़ नॉट अलाउड एक्चुअली.
Hello. Sir, is this Siddharth?
Yes.
Sir, I'm calling from Alaknanda hostel.
Okay.
Sir, I got allotted to PG extension in 3rd counseling, sir.
Okay.
At NDRA. One of my senior gave your number for assistance, sir. Today only I came, sir. Yes, sir.
You want me to give the numbers of other MSc first year students?
Okay, sir. It will be okay. I don't know anyone here. It
Yeah,
will.
there is one girl in Alagananda hostel. I don't know. I don't know. She is at Alagananda or not.
Okay, sir.
Maybe that's Kaveri or something. I will give you my junior Anu. She is in first year also.
Okay, sir.
You, yeah. I will call her and tell her.
Sir. Hello. Your voice is breaking, sir.
Yeah, there is maybe Alagananda also. I don't know.
Okay, sir. I heard that you are very beautiful.
Yeah, what?
I heard that you'll be very handsome and beautiful
What?
and smart also. My seniors told me.
Your seniors told me.
Yeah, sir.
Told you. No. Not talking about me then.
Yeah, no, sir. They told that you did your PG in PAU, right, sir?
Yes, I did my PG in.
Then they are talking about you only for sure, sir.
Okay.
They told like they bet me like if you see him once, you will fall in love with him. His eyes was very beautiful, like that he told. After hearing your voice itself, I got in love with you, sir.
What? That Anu Joshi's number?
Okay, sir. Sir, do you have any girlfriend?
Okay, fine.
Hello,
Hello.
sir.
Anu Joshi's number. Anu's number. You call her.
Sir, I'm asking you other questions. Can you answer that?
Yeah, what questions?
Do you have girlfriend?
Who is this, Divapriya?
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. So it is Kalki Bhavan. This side. We came from here.
No.
What?
You are at the cross section now?
Yeah, we are at cross section. Please guide us, sir.
Then
If we go this way, we will go to farm canteen.
No, I'm coming.
Come out.
Okay, I will come.
Okay. Okay. Come. Okay, sir.
Sir, you are very beautiful.
Yeah, sir. My senior told me, sir. What break dinner you have?
You guys are like.
So, how do you feel after being pranked?
I was not pranked. So you call them?
Yeah.
Calls is this?
So sorry, very sorry.
No,
Just
no.
insert your
Tactics 01.
episode 2 in boys hostel, episode 1 in girls hostel.
We'll take you today to boys hostel. We'll make you stay today in boys hostel.
Yeah, okay,
on
come.
Yeah.
She is ready to live there.
Fire.
Okay, it will burn. Slowly, slowly.
Slowly.
We forgot to take the chips from
Oh, this was the night. We are finally back in our hostel. Not in our hostel, near to our hostel. So this was a fun night for us. But we were
Will do, because tomorrow is 30 year end.
yeah.
We'll celebrate by our year by this.
Yeah. Okay, see. I don't know what kind of vlog is this. I'll just edit anything and I'll put it
Okay.
in it.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye. Have a good night.